Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a space-themed website using React.js and the NASA API can be an exciting project. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple application that retrieves and displays data from the NASA API, specifically the astronomy picture of the day, APOD. We'll cover the following steps. 1. Setting up the React app. 2. Getting the NASA API key. 3. Creating components. 4. Fetching data from the API. 5. Displaying the data. 6. Styling the app. Step 1. Setting up the React app. First, you need to set up a React application. You can use Create React App to quickly bootstrap a new project. Bash npx create react app space app. cd space app. Step 2. Getting the NASA API key. 1. Go to the NASA API portal, https://api.nasa.gov. 2. Sign up for an account and get your API key. 3. Keep this key handy, as you will need it to make requests to the API. Step 3. Creating components. Now, let's create a simple component structure. For this tutorial, we'll have a main component called app and a child component called nasaimage. 1. Open the src directory, and create a new file called nasaimage.js. JSX //src/nasaimage.js. Import React from React. Const nasaimage equals, title, explanation, URL, media type, equals. Return. Div class name equals nasaimage. Media type equals image. Img src equals URL alt equals title slash. Iframe title equals title src equals URL frame border equals 0 allow full screen slash. h2 title slash h2. p explanation slash p. Slash div. Export default NASA image. Step 4, fetching data from the API. Now, we'll modify the app.js file to fetch the data from the NASA API and pass it to the NASA image component. JSX //src/app.js. Import React, use effect, uses state from React. Import nasaimage from ./nasaimage. Import /app.css. Const app equals. Const nasadata, set nasadata equals uses state, null. Const loading, set loading equals uses state, true. Const error, set error equals uses state, null. Const API underscore key equals your underscore NASA underscore API underscore key, / replace with your NASA API key. Use effect, equals. Const fetch nasadata equals async, equals. Try. Const response equals await fetch, https://api.nasa.gov/planetary/appod, API underscore key equals $API underscore key. If, response.ok. Throw new error, network response was not OK. Const data equals await response.json. Set nasadata, data. Catch, error. Set error, error.message. Finally, set loading, false. Fetch nasadata. API underscore key. If, loading. Return div loading, /div. If, error. Return div error, error/div. Return. Div class name equals app. H1 astronomy picture of the day /h1. Nasadata and. NASA image. Title equals nasadata.title. Explanation equals nasaidata.explanation. URL equals nasaidata.url. Media type equals nasaidata.media_type. / div. Export default app. Step 5, displaying the data. In the nasaimage component, we have already structured the data for display. The main app component fetches the data and passes it to the nasaimage component. Step 6, styling the app. You can add some basic styles to app.css to improve the appearance of your application. CSS /*src/app.css*/ body. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Background color, 000. Color, FFF. Text align, center. .nasaimage. Margin, 20 px. IMG. Max width, 100%. Height, auto. H1. Margin, 20 px 0. Iframe. Width, 100%. Height, 500 px. Running the app. Now that you've set up everything, you can run your application. Bash. npm start. Visit http://localhost 3000 in your web browser to see your space-themed website in action. You should see the astronomy picture of the day displayed along with its title and explanation. Conclusion. You've now built a simple React application that utilizes the NASA API to display the astronomy picture of the day. You can extend this project by adding more features such as a gallery of images, a search function for other NASA APIs, or even animations to make it more visually appealing. Happy coding!